I absolutely have to make this video, and I'm absolutely gutted. Okay, down below I have put the web address of what I actually ordered, and what I'm going to show you now is what I got. So if you take the link to what I ordered and have a look at what I got, I'm absolutely gobsmacked. It's supposed to be quilted. It is not quilted. It is not quilted at all. It's a canvas. And look at the shoddy workmanship. It's not supposed to be like this. If you look at the original, shoddy workmanship. These are the straps, which are not what the original is. The inside is kind of a plastic. It's horrible. Oh, unbelievable. If you look at this and then look at what I'm supposed to have received, I don't know. I had a feeling that their website might have been hijacked, but I just don't know. It's called Mega Craft, MEGA dash CRAFT. I have sent emails to their support group. Nothing. Absolutely no contact whatsoever. I don't know. You tell me what you think. When you look at what I'm supposed to have gotten and compared to what I actually got. Just tell me what you think. Okay, rant over. I want to send this back. It's disgusting. Okay, thanks for listening.